Let's do an example on elastic collisions. Ball A is at rest and ball B moves towards ball A at a speed of 2 meters per second. And ball A and B are 300 grams each. After the collision, ball B stops and ball A moves off. What is the final velocity of ball A if the two balls collide elastically? So what information do we get from this? This shows us that the total momentum is conserved and also the total kinetic energy is conserved. Now let's look at the information that we are given. Right. We have ball A that is moving towards ball B, then ball B moving towards ball A. Right. This is 0.3 kilograms. This is also 0.3 kilograms. This is before collision. Right. And then ball A, it's not moving, so let me remove this. Ball A is at rest and then ball B is moving at 2 meters per second, right? And then this is 0 meters per second, right? And then they collide and then ball B stops. This is before collision initially. Then finally we have ball A moving off. Ball B is stopped, 0 meters per second. And then ball A, we want to find the final velocity of ball A here. Then 0.3 kilograms, and we have 0.3 kilograms. So it will be better to use the law of conservation of momentum, because for elastic collisions, momentum is also conserved. So we're going to have mass of A times initial velocity of A plus mass of B times initial velocity of B is equal to mass of A times final velocity of A plus mass of B times final velocity of B. Right, let's substitute what we have here. Mass of A 0.3, then initial velocity is 0. We didn't choose our direction. Let's choose the right, positive direction. Let's say right. Alright, so mass of A 0.3, then times 0 plus mass of B 0.3. Then the initial velocity of B is 2 meters per second, but is moving in the opposite direction. So it's going to be negative 2 is equal to mass of A 0.3. Then the final velocity, that's what we're looking for, plus mass of B 0.3. And then the final velocity of B is 0 because it stops. Right? So this is 0. This is 0. We just remain with 0.3. Negative 2 is equal to 0.3 times final velocity of A. Then divide by 0.3 both sides. Find that final velocity of A is equal to negative 2 meters per second. Final velocity of A is 2 meters per second left.